What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Anastasia. If you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So guess what, guys? It is DFC time again. Today is Saturday, August 2nd, 2025. This is my 4th semester, my 2nd DFC rotation, and this time I am going to Vegas. So I did sign up to be in the pilot program, and I got lucky because I got 4 days in a row in Vegas, the whole week in Vegas. Usually I know they do like one day a week, and that would have been okay, but I was hoping for this one, and I got it. So I just wanted to like kind of show y'all what I'm taking with me for school wise. I'm going to Vegas, so I am packing like some other outfits. The weather said it was gonna be hot when clinical's over. Nursing student in the daytime, cute girl at night. So first off, they said to bring a drug book. This is the only one I could find. I don't know what happened to my other one. So yes, take a drug book with you. Last time my professor bought them, but this professor is adamant like bring your own. And I heard the Vegas DFC instructors can be a little mean, so I'm gonna be prepared. Okay. Second off, I have a composition notebook. Last time we did need these, so I have one again. Third, laptop. We use this a lot. And bring your charger too. Next, I have earphones. Probably not gonna use them, but I got them. Badge, of course. Pens. I think I have some extra pens in this backpack as well. This is what I take with me. So, pens, markers, stethoscope. I do have some gloves in here, but this is from DFC last time. And I have some alcohol swabs in here as well. So all of this stuff I'm gonna leave in the backpack because that stuff to take with me. Put the composition notebook in the backpack. The earphones. The badge. And then I also have this nurse in the making little clinical pocket guide. It has a lot of stuff in here. So take this. And then, oh yeah, I will be taking my laptop and charger in that bag as well. Take it with you every single day. Next, I do have, I think 4 sets of scrubs. I actually ordered all of my scrubs, or 4 sets, and I think I still had like $30 left over that I didn't use. So I have, well actually I think I have 3 tops, 4 pants, because then I have a jacket, but I'm pretty sure I won't need this. I will not use my jacket except for in the morning times. So yeah. I like to roll stuff up like this, sometimes make it fit better. So I do have some like other outfits for just in case purposes. Because it's Vegas, right? Extra stuff just in case. Always overpack. Well, if you can, overpack instead of underpack. You just never know. This is what my suitcase looks like right now. A bathing suit to get like in the pool. Of course, these things. Supplement girl. Oh, did I forget to mention it? Pen light. Bring a pen light. This will go in my backpack. More notes, sticky notes. Personal stuff, edge control, spray bottle, mascara. And then I'll add toothbrush, face towel. This is all the stuff that I have packed. This is for my girl. And then my stuff, besides my shoes and toothbrushes. And that is pretty much it. In case you was wondering what do you need to pack for clinicals, this is what you'll take. Yeah, just depending on what the teacher tell you, and that's pretty much it. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah.